Hello there! In this video, I'll show you how to replace the engine ignition leads in a Mark III Ford Mondeo. This is a quick job that's incredibly simple. In fact, the hardest step is opening the packet that your leads come in. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, step 1 is to remove the engine cover. Unfortunately, I can't show you that step because mine's been stolen. Anyway, here's a picture of someone else's engine cover, and if yours hasn't been nicked, just lift it out of place. Now the cover's out the way, we can see the engine. Mine's a 1.8 litre petrol and it has 4 ignition wires, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These ignition leads are different lengths and each one goes from a specific cylinder to a specific connector on the coil pack. For example, this is the longest lead and it goes from cylinder 1 here all the way along to the bottom right connector on the coil pack. Now, if we removed all 4 leads simultaneously, it would be easy to get confused and accidentally connect the new lead in the wrong order, and then the car wouldn't run properly. So, to minimize such risks, it's best to do one lead at a time. Let's continue using the longest lead as our example. To remove this end from the cylinder, simply grab a big screwdriver or similar and pry it out of position. Just like that. As for the coil pack end, it just pulls off without any tools. Then of course, just grab your new lead and reverse the process. Next, simply repeat the process for the other leads and, assuming it hasn't been stolen, replace the engine cover. Good news, I've found a spare engine cover and look, it's genuine Ford. So that's it, but before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV, that makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Must close that bonnet.